Let's see how we can create a binary search tree if we are given few data elements. Suppose these are our data elements. So by definition, we know that for a binary search tree, if this is the root node, then the left subtree, all the values of the nodes would be less than the value at the root node. And for the right subtree, all values would be greater than the value at the root node. So we will begin constructing the binary search tree. The first element 43 is the value at the root node. Next element is 10. This is smaller than the value at the root node. So that means it will belong to the left subtree. So we add it as a child of the root node on the left side. Next element is 79, which is greater than the value at root node, and by definition we know that now it should belong to the right subtree of the root node. So 79 becomes the right child of the root node. Next element is 90. We compare it with the root node. We know that it is larger than the root node. That means it needs to belong to the right subtree. We check again with the next node, which is 79. Again we see that 90 is greater than 79. So 90 will belong to the right subtree of 79. So 90 comes as a node over here. The next element is 12. Comparing this with the root node, we say that 12 is smaller than 43. So it will go on the left subtree. We compare it with the next node, which is 10. 12 is larger than 10. That means 12 will go as a right subtree node of 10. Next element is 54. Compare it with 43. 54 is greater than 43, so it will go to the right side. We compare it with 79. 54 is less than 79, so it will belong to the left subtree of 79. So 54 is added as a node in the left subtree of 79. Next element is 11. Compare it with root node 43. So it is less than this. Now come to 10. 11 is greater than 10. So that means it will go to the right subtree. So when we go to the right subtree of 10, we reach the node 12. 11 is smaller than this value 12. That means it will come to the left subtree of this node 12. So 11 will be added here. Next is 9. Comparing again with the root node, then the node 10. 9 is smaller than 10, so it will go to the left subtree of this node 10. Next element is 50, which is greater than the root node 43, so it will go to the right subtree. Compare it with 79. It is less than 79, so it will go to the left subtree. Compare it with the node 54. It is less than 54 also, so it will go to the left subtree of 54. So this is how the binary search tree is being created. You can see that all values in the left subtree of the root node have a value less than 43. All values in the right subtree of the root node, they have a value greater than 43. And this you can check recursively for each and every node in the tree. Let's take another example. So again we see that 45 is the first element that will form the root node. 39 is less than 45, so it will be the left subtree. Then we have 56, which is greater than the root value, so it will come as the right subtree. 12 is less than 45 and is less than 39 as well, so it will come as the left subtree of 39. 34 is less than 45 and less than 39 but greater than 12, so it will come here as the right subtree of 12. Next element is 78, which is greater than 45 and greater than 56. So it will come as the right subtree of element 56. Next is 32. 32 is less than 45, less than 39, greater than 12. So we will check the right subtree. We come to this node now. 32 is less than 34. So it will come to the left subtree of 34. Next element is 10. We will compare it with 45, compare it with 39 and now compare it with 12. It is less than 12. So it will come as the left subtree of 12. Next is 89, larger than 45, larger than 56. So we go right again, compare it with 78, again larger than 78. So the right subtree of 78, it is 89. Next we have 54, larger than 45, compare it with 56 now, smaller than 56. So it will form the left subtree of 56. Next element is 67, larger than root node 45, larger than 56. So again we move right, we come to 78. When we compare it with 78, 67 is smaller than 78. So it will go left side and it will form the left subtree. 81, it is larger than root node 45. So we go right. Compare it with 56. Again it is larger than 56. So we go right again. 78, it is larger than 78. So we go right again. We reach node 89. We compare it with 89. 81 is smaller than 89. So it will form the left subtree of this node having value 89. So this is how you can create a binary search tree if you are given some data elements.